Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best voltage regulator for refrigerators you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many voltage regulator for refrigerators and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each voltage regulator for refrigerators so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a voltage regulator for refrigerators. First, check the voltage capacity to ensure it matches your refrigerator's power requirement. A mismatch can cause poor performance or even damage. Second, look for a regulator with built-in protection features, such as overload, short circuit, and high or low voltage cutoff. These features protect your refrigerator from sudden power fluctuations. Third, consider the regulator's response time because a fast response helps stabilize voltage instantly. Also, ensure the regulator is from a reliable brand with good after-sales service for long-term reliability. Lastly, check the warranty and energy efficiency rating to save on electricity costs and maintenance. By keeping these points in mind, you can choose a regulator that ensures consistent refrigerator performance and longer appliance life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips.